guys, it's Kate at California Carnivores, and today I am going to talk about my favorite species of Sarracenia. Now, there's several species of Sarracenia, and we all have our favorites. Damon loves his flavas, Daniela is currently obsessed with rubra, but I love Leucophylla. Sarracenia leucophylla, or the white top pitcher plant, is the species I have here. It occurs only on the Gulf Coast states, from southeast Mississippi, Alabama, parts of southern Georgia, and just into the Florida panhandle. This is such a great species because it has these beautiful white tops. So this guy here, this is a pretty typical Sarracenia leucophylla. So you can see it starts green, and the veins go from green to this beautiful crimson color and makes these white windows. The flowers are typically with these crimson petals that you can't see here. These are the leftover sepals. But there's a lot of variation in this guy, and it can go from very green and white to where the veins are almost green to completely green. Some have pictures that go completely white at the top where you can hardly even see the veinage. This is a very nice cultivar. To ones where the windows, the white windows, almost become like a hot pink. Look at this guy right here. And there's some very famous Sarracenia cultivars, some Leucophylla cultivars like Hurricane Creek White, which is completely white and green. Schnell's Ghost is a very famous one. And then there's also this really great one called Tarnok. Tarnok has pretty typical pictures, but the flowers are actually doubles. Now you can see this is crazy, right? Like these are just a multitude of sepals. Even the stigma is like kind of frilly. So it's just a very, very cool one. And it's the only one with double flowers that I know of. As far as care goes for these guys, it's typical for all the Sarracenia. So it wants to be outside, full sun, always sitting in that tray of distilled water or rainwater, reverse osmosis water. But this guy's a little unique because in the spring, you get a flush of nice colored pitchers, but then most of the summer it kind of looks like it peters out. And if you look here at this one, it'll make a ton of these phyllodia. And phyllodia are these non-carnivorous leaves, and they're just for photosynthesis. But when all the other species are starting to peter out and go dormant, that's when Leucophylla is living its best life. So in the fall, that's when we get this crazy flush of beautiful white top pitchers. And you can imagine in the fall when you have that great big harvest moon, that big full moon shining bright on these, they're just glowing in the moonlight. And then all those night-loving insects like moths are attracted to these, and they will just fill up. So this is my favorite species. What is your favorite Sarracenia species?